and welcome back to my channel. So I'm Rachel and back to school was yesterday. I think it was yesterday. It doesn't really matter because by the time I put this video up it's gonna be like a month ago. But so yeah, back to school was yesterday and I didn't go. Surprise! So I didn't go to school the first year after high school, which is like, I'm taking me time, like I'm working for a year, I'm figuring it out. But now it's been 2 years, and if you can't tell by my succulent collection, which I buy when I'm stressed, I'm very stressed about that. So I decided it's time to like figure it out. And like, what's the best way to figure out what I want to go to school for than some quizzes on the internet? So, you know, you can come along with this journey with me. So I have my gross little laptop that I never bought a cover for. So it just has fingerprints and sauce all over it. You think I'm kidding. It has like sauce on it. So, okay, this seems like a trustworthy article. It has Oprah. I trust it. What would you spend your tax refund on? Oh boy. So it says down payment on a Range Rover and like I would pay off my car. So like, I'm just gonna draw a little connection there and say that. What would you bring on a deserted island? A boat, perhaps. Hi, I would bring food and water. Like, what is this? Okay, honey. Who's your dream dinner guest? Kanye, because I feel like Kim would come. So Kanye. Oh, I'm a surgeon. I'm bold. Nothing seems to scare me. You're a hard work. You work hard and play hard. You're smart, hardworking, and direct. You thrive under pressure and know how to get things done. Other occupations: consultant, lawyer. Yeah, that seems wrong. Okay, we'll tell you your next job you should have based on the Build-A-Bear you create. The critter to create. Ooh, my childhood is battling each other over the narwhal and unicorn right now. I kind of like the bunny. I think that's cute. Like, this is gonna be the most boring outfit for a little bunny. Ooh, like what are the other options? Okay, so I made her a little tutu because that's fun and fresh. Okay, so tutu, and then we're gonna go with these like sparkly little shoes or sandals. No, I don't want her feet out. She's not a whore.
I noticed you're wearing open-toed shoes. Since when did you become a whore?
She's gonna have a little phone. And pick a name. Let's go with, ooh, Mildred. I feel like she's not a Mildred though. Like, I feel like the narwhal would have been Mildred. We're gonna go with Vivian. I'm the CEO of a company. Ooh, but like what company? Like, someone tell me what company. Decorate an office. Okay, let's go with that one. Pick a desk or a chair. I love being able to read. Pick a rug. That kind of looks like my background, so we're gonna have to go with that one. A couch. Ooh, we love a pink. I'm an astronaut. Ooh, 5 basic questions. Yeah. Where would you most like to work? Oh, this is literally just gonna make me pick myself. Let's go from home because I hate leaving my home. Wait, is this from home or is that from home? That one looks cuter. Who would you invite to dinner? This guy. He likes animals. Choose a movie. Oh boy, I've seen none of these. I work at a video store. I've seen none of these. Let's go with this one because we love a strong female lead, perhaps? Why is there 2 Englishes? What one's the truth? Oh, I'm biology or medicine. Ever since you were a child, you had a love for the natural world. I used to be that kid who would like pick up rocks and then like look at the bugs underneath, and like I was like really into bugs, and then I bought this bug book from like one of those like, do they still even have them? Like the scholastic, I don't know, flyer things where you'd like come home and you'd circle everything you want and you'd show your mom and be like, I want it. So I got this bug book from there, and then I was like reading it and I fell asleep, and then I had this nightmare about a spider, and then ever since then I don't like bugs. So yeah, that ruined everything for me. I could have been a bugologist, but ooh, first word you see is the job you should have. Oh, firefighter. I just saw the word fighter and I was like, I'm just gonna be a fighter. What else is in here? Just for general ideas. It could be a wart, musician, because I love to sing. What should your college major actually be? Okay. Which of these is your most essential? What is most essential to your happiness? Definitely not children. No. like money. I like friends. Well, clearly I'm on YouTube, so I want fame. Which of these do you hate the most? Movie versions of books? Nope, I like those because I'll never read the book. Public transportation makes me stressed, but I don't think I hate it. I'm gonna go with reading. No, because I read like the internet. I'm gonna go with idiots. Okay. Your house is on fire. What's one thing you'd grab? I would grab you. Yeah. What's the longest you're comfortable going without a shower? I literally have to shower like twice a day. I don't understand. My hair is just gross, and I tried to do the thing where you like don't shower as much to like train your hair not to be greasy all the freaking time, but didn't work. Still here. My hair is currently greasy. We just used half a bottle of dry shampoo in it, so I'm gonna go with 12 hours. These meals look the most appetizing. I'm gonna go with ramen because I've been on a huge ramen kick lately. Here's a pimple to show that I've been eating nothing but Mr. Noodles lately, and also that I'm very stressed. So who would you want as a professor? Lady Gaga. You have an assignment due in 2 weeks. What do you do? Start it the night before. I would start it the night before. Pick an ideal home. This one looks kind of cute. I like the plants. Okay, what is your ultimate life goal? It's just like make the world better. I got a chemical engineering. A little backstory. I almost failed chemistry the first year I took it, and then didn't end up taking it the second. So, which is also why I'm running into these problems, because I didn't take any of the courses I needed to do anything I want to do. So that's why we're taking BuzzFeed quizzes. So apparently I should be a chemical engineer because I love chemistry. What kind of grades did you get in high school? Except for chemistry. Pick a word to describe me. Let's go with just like sarcastic. Pick a college to go to. I don't know any of these. Like I don't know what these like mean. NYU? That's in New York. That's fun. Obviously I know like some of them, but like I don't know what they mean in the grand scheme of things or where they are. In grade 9, this would have been me because I thought I was like killing it. It was a lot. I think there was a good like 6 months in grade 9 where I never wore the same outfit like more than once, and it was just like I would wear like, it was like that time. It was time for me to shine. Like I wore little heeled boots to school every day. Like it was a lot. Let's go most likely become famous because of this little situation I have. Pink. Pick a sport. Oh, funny. None of the above. Pick a city to live in. I used to always say New York, but lately I'm vibing like LA more. So like LA. Economics and minor in international relations. This is giving me like no clear idea about my future because every single one said different. What keychain appeals to you most? I like this one because there's a dog on it. English. Your high school experience. It was like a 6. Like an after school activity. Friends. What's your favorite holiday? Christmas. Who would say New Year's? Like that's such a random. Easter. Valentine's Day. Whose favorite holiday is actually Valentine's Day? Like, whoever that is, I hate you. Pick a high school TV show. Ooh, Gossip Girl. What high school movie is your favorite? Mean Girls is good, but High School Musical is iconic. I don't know Mean Girls. Bachelor in Architecture. I get headaches when I try to build houses on Sims because I get too stressed. So, this is pretty accurate, I'd say. Okay, it's breakfast. What are you drinking? Orange juice. What's on your breakfast plate? Okay, I want like the pancakes without the bacon, but like I'd probably eat cereal. Anything else? Banana. I like toast actually. Toast is like my main breakfast. What you having for lunch? I'm gonna go with grilled cheese. We love a grilled cheese. Something sweet to finish it off. I'm gonna go with brownies. I'm pretending that this is all that just like happens to be vegan. So dinner already. Like choose a meal. So my good go-to meal is pasta for like any single day, any single meal, including breakfast. But I've been on like a huge taco kick lately where it's like all I want. Like I haven't necessarily wanted tacos. I've wanted the Taco Bell hot sauce lately, so I've been eating tacos so I can use it. Why is this like the hardest question I've encountered so far? I'm gonna go pasta just because like it's a classic for me. Okay, if we're pretending that everything is vegan and I can eat it, I'm gonna go with mozzarella sticks actually, because they are iconic. This is gonna make me sound lame, but apples and peanut butter are my favorite thing. Oh, history. I did not like history. Pick out college student essentials and we'll reveal. We love a pair of fluffy slides. Choose a snack. I eat these, so decorate your dorm room. That's kind of cute. Like a random dorm thing. A blanket. Why do I not like have blankets? Like, do I have to choose between clean water and a blanket? And light? I'm very dehydrated. I'm gonna go with a blanket. Psychology. That's what I was gonna do originally, and then I was like, it's too hard, so I didn't. And I also realized I don't care about psychologies. Can we guess your university degree? This could work. Pick a pop princess. Ooh, these are the questions to get to my heart. Okay. Why is Brittany not on here? Paris? Let's go with Paris. What's the best way to eat cheese? Macaroni. Right? Yeah. Pick a glamorous job. Okay, we're gonna just assume I have the skills to pick whatever I choose. I'm gonna go with actress. Philosophy. Oh, this might be accurate. You overthink everything and you're always asking the big questions. That's me. Guys, that's me. Right there. Oh. Went to a different dimension. Okay, but that is... Okay. Well, I'm gonna say we're done because I can't find any more and I'm bored and they're not telling me anything. I'm not gonna lie, usually when I take those quizzes, I get chiropractor every single time. But I didn't this time, so that's cool. I guess chiropractors like aren't trendy anymore, so it's fine. So I've learned nothing about my future. I don't know what I was expecting, but... Oh, thank you for your support. Thank you. You're so kind. Okay, so thanks for watching this riveting video where I consult the internet to tell me what to do with my life, and surprise, surprise, I still don't know. So stay tuned to find out like what ends up happening with my life. It'll be a fun game for us. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment to emotionally support me during these trying times, and I will see you in my next video. Honey. Oh, never mind. You tried to bite me. That's not nice. That's not what nice boys do. That's not what nice boys do. Oh.